Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the drone and getting the app ready. Turn the drone on, then open the Syma app. The app needs Wi-Fi and location permissions to find the drone. Once done, go into your phone Wi-Fi list. The drone broadcasts an SSID you will select. Make sure the controller is off if pairing via phone-only mode. If using the controller, power it on so the drone and controller negotiate first. Now you actively join the drone network. Open phone Wi-Fi, pick the Syma XXX SSID and connect. There's usually no password or it's found in the manual. Once connected, switch back to the app so it can initialize the camera and telemetry link. The app reads the drone IP and opens the live feed. If the app prompts, grant camera and storage access so recordings save. Make sure airplane mode is off for Bluetooth if your model uses it. Finish by calibrating sensors and testing controls. Use the app's calibration routine. Rotate the drone as instructed so the compass and gyros align. This prevents drifting in flight. Then arm motors briefly in a clear space and confirm the live camera appears and the joysticks respond. If something fails, restart the drone and phone, forget the Wi-Fi network, reconnect, and relaunch the app. This simple reset resolves most pairing glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.